Here we discuss sp hybridization. sp hybridization. In this type of hybridization, one orbital of s hybridized with one orbital of p and forms two new sp hybrid orbitals having bond angle of 180. In these type of hybridization, one orbital of s hybridized with one orbital of p and forms two new sp hybrid orbital. This is first one, this is second one. One orbital of s and one orbital of p, they hybridized and gives us two new sp hybrid orbital, which have 50% s character and 50% p character. Here we take the example of BeH2 or BeCl2. Very first example is BeH2, beryllium hydride. How beryllium hydride is formed? In this case, beryllium is a central atom. This undergoes the process of hybridization. After hybridization, overlapping takes place. At first, process of hybridization takes place in beryllium atom. After these hybrid orbitals undergo overlapping with half-filled hydrogen atom. So, we take the example of BH2, beryllium atomic number 4 is equal to 2 to 1s2 2s2. Box representation, ground state. In ground state, 2 electrons are present in beryllium atom. It undergoes excited state. One electron is jumped from s orbital to nearby p orbitals. One orbital of s and one orbital of p hybridized and they form two new sp hybrid orbitals. After the process of hybridization, overlapping takes place. Here we obtain two new sp hybrid orbital of beryllium. After that, first hydrogen atom which have half-filled s orbital, this is the second hydrogen atom which also possess half-filled s orbital. Now, this is sp hybrid orbital of beryllium atom. This is second hybrid orbital of beryllium atom. First sp hybrid orbital of beryllium atom overlaps with half-filled s orbital of first hydrogen atom and forms sigma bond. Second case, second sp hybrid orbital of beryllium atom overlaps with half-filled s orbital of second hydrogen atom and forms sigma bond, and the structure become like this: BeH2 H2, B sigma bond H, B single bond sigma bond which is H, BH2. The shape is linear, bond angle is 120. So here we discuss sp hybridization in beryllium hydride. Now we discuss sp hybridization in beryllium chloride, BeCl2. In this example, the central atom is beryllium, which undergoes the process of hybridization. When the process of hybridization is complete, then overlapping takes place. यहाँ बेरिलियम केंद्रीय परमाणु है, इसमें संकरण की घटना होगी. जब संकरण की घटना समाप्त हो जाएगी, उसके बाद में अतिव्यापन की घटना होगी. देखते हैं, डिस्कस करते हैं हमारे पास में फॉर्मेशन ऑफ BeCl2. बेरिलियम एटॉमिक नंबर 4 is equal to 2,2 means 1s2 2s2. Ground state, it undergoes excited state, one orbital of s, one orbital of p hybridized, and they form two new sp hybrid orbital. One orbital of s, one orbital of p, they form two new sp hybrid orbital. After the process of hybridization, overlapping takes place. 3s2, half-filled pz orbitals are present. After the hybridization, process of overlapping takes place. In this process, at first we draw sp hybrid orbital of beryllium atom. This is first sp hybrid orbital of beryllium atom, and this is second sp hybrid orbital of beryllium atom. These overlaps with half-filled pz orbital of first chlorine atom. Head-on overlapping takes place and formation of sigma bond takes place. While this second sp hybrid orbital overlaps with half-filled pz orbital of second chlorine atom and forms sigma bond. The structure becomes like this. This is the first sp hybrid orbital of beryllium atom. This is second sp hybrid orbital of beryllium atom. After overlapping pz orbital of fluorine, this is pz orbital of first chlorine atom, and this is pz orbital of second chlorine atom. So this is all about sp hybridization. We take few more examples regarding sp hybridization. C2H2 ethyne acetylene. Here we want to predict or confirm the types of hybridization which is found in ethyne. So according to our rules, sum of valency electron carbon 4 into 2 plus hydrogen 1 into 2, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10 is greater than 8, that's what is divided by 8. 8 1 ja 8, 2 is the remainder, here we write 2 divided by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 1 plus 1 means 2, means sp hybridization is present. In C2H2 ethyne, sp hybridization is found. Let's we draw the sp hybridization in ethine, or namely acetylene. Here there are two central atoms. First carbon 6 is equal to 2,4, means 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Ground state, accelerated state, one electron jump from the s orbital and goes to nearby p orbital. Here sp hybridization takes place. One orbital of s and one orbital of p hybridized, and they form two new sp hybrid orbital. While py and pz do not participate in the process of hybridization. In the same manner, the second carbon goes through the hybridization ground state, accelerated state, one orbital of s, one orbital of p hybridized, and they form two new sp hybrid orbitals. Here the process of hybridization is completed. Then next we discuss after hybridization the process of overlapping takes place. After hybridization, the process of overlapping takes place. Here we discuss the overlapping. Very first, this is first sp hybrid orbital of first carbon. This is second sp hybrid orbital of second carbon, plus first sp hybrid orbital of second carbon, and this is second sp hybrid orbital of second carbon. These are unhybridized py and pz orbitals, and these are unhybridized py and pz orbitals. Very first case, the first sp hybrid orbital of first carbon overlaps with first sp hybrid orbital of second carbon and forms sigma bond. Second phenomena, half-filled s orbital of first hydrogen atom overlaps with second sp hybrid orbital of first carbon and forms sigma bond. Third phenomena, half-filled s orbital of second hydrogen atom overlaps with second sp hybrid orbital of second carbon and forms sigma bond. Next, the unhybridized py orbitals of first and second carbon atom sidewise overlaps and forms pi bond. And last, the unhybridized pz orbitals of first and second carbon atom sidewise overlaps and forms pi bond. Means the diagram is look like this. This is the first carbon atom which is sp hybridized, overlaps with second sp hybridized carbon atom forming sigma bond. Here second hybrid orbital of carbon atom overlaps with first hydrogen atom and forms sigma bond. Here second sp hybrid orbital of second carbon overlaps with hydrogen atom and forms sigma bond, while unhybridized py and pz orbitals forms pi bond. This is all about hybridization in C2H2. Now we discuss sp2 hybridization. Here we discuss sp2 hybridization. It is pronounced as sp2, not sp square. इसको हम sp2 कहते हैं, sp square नहीं कहते. sp2 means one orbital of s and two orbital of p.